Hello students, you were saying that how the thief was actually approached a boy whose name was Anil, on that day, and then actually he started to talk him. I hadn't had much luck of late, and no, once again, he actually approached him, and now the description of Anil we will see here. Anil was about 25. It means he was about 25 years old, and he was a tall, lean fellow. It means he was a tall guy and not fat and slightly thinner. And he looked easygoing. When the thief is narrating you that he looked easygoing, it means he means to say that he felt that he could easily cheat him. Easygoing means he could easily steal from him. वो उससे आसानी से चोरी कर सकता है. That's what he mean to say when he said that he looked very easygoing, kind and simple enough for my purpose. What was the purpose of thief? His purpose was actually to steal money from Anil, and for his purpose Anil was absolutely the perfect guy. That's what the thief was thinking. Simple and enough for him. He cannot earn a lot of money, he cannot steal a lot of money from him, but he can earn enough. And simply, the main thing is that there is no risk involved when he is trying to steal from Anil. I hadn't heard much luck of late, and thought I might be able to get into the young man's confidence. Now what happens here, that the thief is telling you that he hadn't had much luck in recently. It means to say that he had not been very much successful in stealing in recent times. उसको चोरी करने में भी ज़्यादा luck, he had been failed in many occasions. He had been caught. He had not successfully theft a lot of money in recent times. That's what he means to say, and that is why he is thinking that this person, this young man, he can easily get into his confidence. It means to say that he can easily win his trust. He can make a friendship with him, and then after some time he can grab some money from him. That's what the thief was thinking. And he started the conversation with Anil saying that you look a bit of a wrestler yourself. I said, this is the first, trick of a thief to make comfort with him, and actually just to, boast him and flatter him. The thief was actually tried to flatter him. And that is why he is saying that you also yourself, as Anil was watching wrestling match at that time. So how he would start the conversation? He thought that this is the best way to start the conversation in this sort of situation, and that is why he said to Anil that you yourself also look like to some extent like a wrestler. A little flattery helps in making friends, and then he further justifies his whatever I said. Why did he actually say to start the conversation say in this way? Because he thinks that not only he but we also know that a bit of flattery, a little flattery. Flattery means to boast someone, किसी का मनोबल ऐसे बिना काम के तारीफ करना, to praise him though the person does not deserve, but still you are praising him to fool him. There is a very famous phrase in English, flatter to deceive. Sometimes we flatter someone just to deceive him, and that's what this thief was also doing. He was just flattering him to deceive him actually. He is telling you that when you flatter someone, it's easy to make friendship with the person, and then after making friend, he could easily steal money for him. That's what he is willing to do with Anil actually.